Welcome back to Make Money Welcome back to Make Money Monetizing. Today is February 21st, 2021, and on this channel, we talk about how to make money online. Let's take a look at how our YouTube channel in the how to make money on YouTube niche is performing. So this is a personality channel where I actually show my face and talk to you guys. This channel right here, Make Money Monetizing. So let's take a look at how many views we've gotten in the last 28 days. We have 8.9 thousand views, so 8,853, 92.6 hours of watch time, and 174 subscribers. But if we take a look at the lifetime, we can see that we have 247 right here, and this channel was started on December 30th. The first few videos that I started off posting were all YouTube shorts. A YouTube short is a video taken vertically under 60 seconds. What YouTube does is pretty much under the most recent videos or the recommended videos, when you're scrolling through your phone, it'll pop up a little section that says short videos, and it's kind of like a Snapchat or Instagram stories. You can click those and watch them, and at the very bottom it'll say subscribe. YouTube Shorts is a really easy way to be able to get those initial subscribers, because a lot of people are willing to watch a 15 to 60 second video as opposed to a 10-minute video from a channel that doesn't have very many subscribers or doesn't have very many videos or views. And so to kind of build credibility with your viewers, you want to give them short form content, make sure that they're consuming that, and as your audience kind of grows and the attention starts to grow, then you can give them a little longer format content so that they can consume it all. And that's pretty much what I've been doing right here. So as you can see, if I organize by views, my most viewed video is a 52-second video. This video has gotten me 71 subscribers, and the majority of the traffic came from, so let's do since published. Majority of the traffic at first was kind of suggested and browse features. Then here you can see that it hit the YouTube short algorithm, went up to 936, leveled out, and it's kind of been getting a few impressions, but more suggested and browse features. So now I am essentially taking the subscribers that were interested in this video, monetized in 50 days, a cash cow YouTube channel, and I'm giving people more updates regarding that exact topic. So, hopefully we see this channel grow a little more. We're at 247. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you make it 248 right now. 249 actually. I think I just saw 248. So let's try to get this channel 250, then 300, 400, and let's get it to 1,000. All right. So make sure to subscribe right now, and I'll see you guys on the next video.